Hi, boys and girls. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. I'm trying this again. Okay. I did get a fine thank you card for Hubble's Cat. Now, this cost me $3.97. Usually I buy gas, but I'm going to send it. It's a very nice card, a proper thank you card. Okay. Hubbles, if you're listening, please send me your mailing address. I have it, but I have to double check it because some reason your mail system's screwed up. I already sent this counting this is already 6 cards. So please help us if you can send me your mailing address so I can send this proper thank you card. Okay. Cheryl Hirsch. Uh, she's in this pile. Note paper. Billing. I want to find notes. Let me dig through 1 second, kids. I'm glad I'm old. I don't move fast. Okay, Cheryl Hirsch right there. Please send me your mailing address. I have in this pile of mess a food list. I'm going to try to send that to you. It'll help you out what you need to store for 1 year. I know you live in a trailer, so I'm trying to figure out a more portable food system for 30 days. You do need to make a cook box. That's some way to cook food, either electrically, multi-fuel, propane. Sorry, I have a little bit of palsy, so I'm trying to don't drool. Okay, and Little Prepper Lady, I just left a comment. Now, right now, we're having a cold winter, cold summer, sorry, and certain I can't pronounce the word, cyclonic effects in the upper atmosphere because last year we had 17 volcanoes blow up and we had a solar burst that hit northern Canada. And a lot of people say, oh, look at the blue lights. No, that screwed up our weather pattern pretty good. So instead of running west to east, it's running north to south, which screws up everybody because if you think you're going to have a normal summer this year, forget about it. We're going to have a short heat wave. We're going to have, after that, a couple of days of mild weather. Then after that, start of the winter storms. Now, the heavier storms, the spring one and spring and winter ones, will stop around August. You have about maybe 4 weeks leeway before the winter storm starts. Now, a lot of people says climate change. I don't think that's right. The correct term is planetary change. Now, I have a lot of people arguing with me about CO2 emissions. Well, there's a lot of other emissions, and if you count China, Japan, Russia in the mix, that causes more problem. They went heavy industrial after the Cold War. Excuse me. Russia's trying to play catch up. China is like gone completely nuts. Now they're thinking about nuclear. And it's like, oh, great. You went from coal burning and oil burning, now planning nuclear, peaceful nuclear, and you're making deals with the Canadians. That's all we need. Chinese with truck sized reactors all over China. Thank you. Not getting mad at Hubble's cat. I like Hubble's cat. Also, I like JJR Survivals. Please help him out by buying his stuff on eBay so his doggy Sky gets better. She's really sick. So it'd be a big help to Uncle Al if you help JJR Survival. Malcolm Bowler, he has books on sale on Amazon, and also he has stuff, specialized traps on eBay. Check out JJR Survival. That's Malcolm Bowler. Uh, I'm going to try to get this done fast because Uncle Alan's trying to get a lot of things done. And I know every time I go too early, I don't get enough views on my other 3 videos. And a lot of people are confused about using generators and power plants. I did a video on it. It was one of my lowest rated. I have to do another video explaining what's going on. A lot of you kids don't use a generator full time and don't understand the consequences of it. I won't get into it because it's too complicated. I'm already stressed out this morning. I got all this mailing I gotta do. I gotta still send this to Sippy Cup. Couldn't find any earplugs, but this will give you equal power against PA's bell. This is a real cowbell, so it's 10 times louder. And Uncle An's a little bit tired, so I'll catch you later, folks. Here's Dino. Yeah, Uncle An's tired. He won't tell anybody because his new doctors are still mad at him. Yeah, I gotta figure out my appointments for June. I got a lot of them and plus a blood test. Catch you later, kids. And my favorite shout out to West Wind Survival, if you could see that. And don't forget, it's summertime. If you're going hiking, for 4 people, 12 gallons of water for 3 days. I have more people go up to my foothills, and everybody has, oh, we got hills in the backyard. No, you have dirt mountains. You want to see a hill, you come to Uncle Alan, we'll drive out, and then you owe me a certain amount of money because those are hills. And behind it are the foothills. And behind that, deep gorges and valleys. And behind that are, oh my God, the Donner Party died up there. Now, right now, we got snow coming down because it's a rough spring. And a lot of people are like, because it's almost June, the water temperature of most of the rivers that are around here are about 38, and lakes. A lot of people don't know we have sudden squalls like Saturday because I couldn't get anything on this one because of electrical interference. Always fun when friends down the street gets hit by a thunderbolt. Now, Uncle Alan's tired. I'll catch you later, kids. Bye.